Special treat for you today, y'all. We are using the brand new Blackstone 22-inch XL griddle grill combo. A pellet grill plus a griddle all in one, and we're gonna make a fabulous, delicious corn dip for you to take to that big game coming right up. So let's get started. All right, so get you a handy dandy aluminum full pan here, okay? These things, dime a dozen, get them, they are great. I got 1 8-ounce block of pepper jack cheese, or pepper jack. He's a good old boy. Just cube these up. There's no right or wrong. Matter of fact, you really don't even have to cube it. I'm gonna add a little bit of fire roasted green chilies. It's been a while, Jacob. How in the heck? These little cans, there we go. Boy, we're cooking with gas now. We're cooking with all kinds of stuff here now. Pellets, gas, charcoal, you name it. All right, 1 4-ounce can of these green chilies. That's gonna go nice. And to this, we're gonna add 2 blocks of cream cheese. And just take the back of your knife, just kind of rake all that goodness off of that. So this is kind of like a Mexican street corn dip, if you will, however you want to kind of call it. I call it corn dip. All right. Now you could use sour cream if you want, but I like using this crema. Crema is my friend. Just gonna come in here and add, I don't know, about half of that right there. Let's talk about a little cilantro. We'll take, now if you don't like cilantro or it tastes like soap, you know, just don't use it. Omit it, okay? And to our pan, just like that. Before you do this, I set my smoker. It's on right now, it's 275 degrees. Actually got another little something going on in there too. But we're gonna run this about 275 degrees. You can do 270, anywhere between 275 and 325. Don't really make no difference. All right, so let's talk about the corn here. We're gonna do, you can do a bag of corn, you do can of corn, however you wanna do it. But I thought, man, we got this combo right here. Let's char this corn up a little bit. You can even put it on the smoker. You wanna get it really hot, however you wanna do it. But I'm gonna put it on the griddle, on that 22-inch griddle over here. We're gonna put some bacon up onto our griddle, and our griddle's on about a medium heat. It's up to about 400 degrees. And just gonna put our corn cobs onto the griddle. And we're just looking for a little bit of color, not really looking to get this cooked all the way through. We're just wanting some color. All right, to add a little bit of Mexican flair to this, we're gonna use some of this Fiesta Dust. Used to be called blend, don't know why I called it blend. We changed it, it's Fiesta Dust. So you got heifer dust, Fiesta Dust. And next to that, we're gonna add a good amount of garlic. Maybe about the equivalent of about 5 cloves, all right? Now, our corn is over there going, no big deal. We're gonna go ahead and put this into the smoker. We're gonna let that go, let that start getting melty. We're gonna have to stir it up every once in a while, but be right back. We're gonna get this corn off and we'll get that into that dip as well. All right, so our corn, it is done, y'all. We're gonna get it off the griddle, get it onto a plate. We'll get it chopped up. Again, we're just looking for a little bit of char. Look at that goodness. Look at that. I wanna slice this. So basically you just kinda come, I like to put this tip down, nice sharp knife, just come down. I like to try to get into the cob some also, a little bit of that corn milk. All right, guys, so we ended up using, what did we use? 4 cobs of corn, that's what we use. Put as many, as little as you like, okay? Now, we're gonna bring over to our smoker. Check that out, that's that pepper jack. It's already kind of melted. Everything's looking good here. Bring that in there. This is a pretty cool thing on this smoker too, y'all. It's a nice little, look at that. Folds up, folds away for you when you don't want it. It locks in place, so you know it ain't gonna go anywhere. So far, so good with this smoker. Really been enjoying it. Man, I might have to give this. I mean, I just want to try this. I love this look already. Ugh. They didn't have any homemade chips like they normally do. These right here, people said they love them, so we're gonna try that. Let's give this a try. Dang, boys and girls. Woo! I'd do some sketchy stuff for some of that right there, I'm gonna tell you what. Woo-hoo! I think you could still use a little bit more of this. Just a little bit. Man, that's good. Nice, creamy. Son, let's get you back on the smoker. All right, guys, our dip, it's ready. It's been about 30 minutes. I actually increased the temperature up to about 300 degrees. Stirred it every once in a while. And boy, oh boy, there is our dip. Boy, it looks good. Thick but thin, okay? You see the corn? Look at that right there. That's gonna go good on a dang chip right there. Come on. We're not done with this. Oh no, we gotta church this up a little bit. And so we're gonna treat this just like some Mexican street corn. We're gonna come in with some cotija cheese. Love cotija cheese. It's a real dry cheese. If you can't find it, you can actually use Parmesan cheese. Then we're gonna come in with some of our Hussey Fiesta dust, okay? We'll come in with a little bit of cilantro. Oh, boys. Woohoo! Son, dang it, boy. I'm gonna do a little bit more of this cream on top. Just gonna come in and drizzle just like this right here. Have fun with it, y'all. Just have fun with it. Hey, let's not let this get cold because it's a little chilly out. We'll try some of these chips. Let's put some out right there because, well, it looks pretty. And you never know when old Anderson's gonna come by. They wanna check your dip, all right? Got old Chip here. We'll come right there, right here, right there. Right there. Ooh. Boys and girls. Cheers, y'all. Mmm. Y'all, that's amazing. You get the char also. We charred it up on the griddle top. You can actually do it on the grill too if you want. It's so good. The Fiesta dust really works well. It's really got that cumin, got that coriander, some chili powders. It tastes so good. That crema really shines through. It's not real hot, not real spicy. That right there works good. Y'all give this corn dip a try. Got the big game coming up. You'll for sure want to put this on your table. How myself? How good. You taste a little bit of a lime, that citric acid. Not much.